All right, traders. The CPI news is just a few hours away. The CPI will be happening by 1:30 Nigeria time. That is 30 minutes after the opening of the New York market. Now, this is something that you need to first of all understand. Like you see, this particular sale that is happening right now is not just happening accidentally. Rather, the market has given us technical reversal pattern on 1 hour time frame that we are using to follow up with this particular set that is happening, and the market has actually been respecting market structure. But there is something you need to pay close attention to during high economical news like CPI. You need to understand how the market will react, because news is just a news, it's just an event that they released once in a while. You understand? Like now, the CPI, which is the Consumer Price Index, always have a way of affecting the United States economy positively or negatively. So let me quickly show you what you need to look out for today before 1:30 Nigeria time. First of all, you need to do recap of all of the analysis that you've been using to trade since yesterday for those of us that are trading gold. So you need to recap your gold top-down analysis. Then you go to your My FS book. Make sure as at that time that you understand the people, like 30 minutes before the news. Make sure you understand what the sentiment is actually saying. So in case you want to check the percentage of both buyers and sellers on the gold market before the CPI news, head over to My FS book, this particular website that you can see here, right here. And on their homepage, you first of all see the 4 trading hours that we have, which is the Sydney market, the Tokyo, the London, and the New York. So the current market that is currently on now is the London section. And in the next 1 hour, 27 minutes, the New York market will open. Now, the market will have something called overlapping, which is trading 2 sections at a go. But apart from that, 30 minutes after the New York market opens, there will be a very swift, rugged move on gold, because we call it Consumer Price Index. So in case you want to quickly check some of the fundamentals, once you open your myfsbook.com, come to Forex Sentiment. You click on Forex Sentiment. I believe you guys can see my cursor right here. You click on Forex Sentiment, it will bring you to this page. Look out for the pair that you are trading. But because I want to trade Xauusd live, I will be looking for gold, which is the symbol of that is Xauusd. Scroll down until you see gold. So I have my gold right here. Now, if you look closely, you will observe, if you put your cursor on the gold chart, you will see that we have 64% of buyers currently and 36% of sellers on gold right now. But the market is actually selling on a 1 hour time frame with a particular reversal pattern called a bearish engulfing. It's either you are seeing an engulfing candle right there, or you are seeing a tweezer top. So how am I going to work with this information for me to join the people that I think we take over the market by 1:30 Nigeria time? Now, I also need to first of all make sure you understand the prediction of the news, and you can check that from either of this website, or you also visit forexfactory.com. Once you open your Forex Factory, you will see all of the news that we have today. Today be the 12th of May 2026. We have the ADP weekly employment, and we have the core CPI, which is the core Consumer Price Index, and the CPI that we have right today is 3 types, and they are going to happen the same time. You understand? The same time. But if you want to trade this particular news with me, in case you don't know how the market reacts to news or how to analyze the news, I'm going live right now on TikTok and also on YouTube. So if you come across this video, make sure you join my TikTok live stream, so I will show you how to analyze this particular news even before the news. Now, how much are you going to be trading with during this Consumer Price Index? Remember, the news we always take price out of structure before it retraces back to where it's supposed to be according to market structure. So that is why I will first of all advise you, and also write a quick disclaimer that you can actually lose everything that you came to the market with. And in the same vein, you can make fortune from the CPI market today, Tuesday. So all I want you to do right now is don't trade with the kind of money that you are not willing to let go. You can decide to separate $1,000 in a separate account and use it for this particular CPI that we are going to be trading, because I will be live. Or you can either choose to separate to trade with your major capital, but make sure you have it well planned, well calculated before execution, because as at that time there might be slippage depending on the broker that you are using. Your broker might actually manipulate your trade so that you will blow your account full. So if you don't want that manipulation, I would advise you trade a separate small account, or if you must trade with your major account, well prepare, define it, and execute the trade before the news, and put your stop loss and put your take profit. But in case you don't know how to go about it, I am going live right now at Gnforex on YouTube. So all you have to do is just to go to my YouTube channel at Gnforex, and you will see us live, and on TikTok Gnforex_Academy_Limited, and also on Facebook at Gnforex. Guys, join me right now so we can trade CPI